Hey, welcome to the Digital World Tech Academy, and in this video you will learn how to use the index and match functions in Excel. The index function returns the value of a cell within a specified range based on its row and column numbers, while the match function returns the position of a value in a row or column. We can say that the index function goes to the location and returns the value of in that location, while the match is the GPS that locates the information. So the formula for index is the array and then the row number of where our information is, or the column number. Then for the match, we have the lookup value, what we're looking for, the lookup array, then the match type. Now let's take a look at practical examples in Excel. Now we're going to use the index function to return someone's name from this table, the first name from this table. We are going to try and return Vincent using index. So what does index do? Index uses the position to locate the value, then returns that value. Okay, then I'm going to return Vincent using index by saying equals to index. Now we have our array, the row number or column number. So now our array, we are going to simply put this here. The array is from the first name, that's from A2 to A12. Then our row number, that is starting from first name, we're going to count to where Vincent is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to write 7, close it, and press enter. We have Vincent. And that is how we use the index function. It simply uses the position, the index number or the row number to return values. Okay, while match returns the position of where the value is. So for example, we are going to show where the position of Mike from the first name, the position of Mike and Victoria from the first name by using the match function. So I'm going to say the match lookup value is going to be Mike. Then our lookup array, where we can find Mike, is right here from first name, that's from A2 to A12. Okay, then we have match type. We are looking for exact match. Close it and press enter. We have 2. That is from this to this. This is 1 and this is 2. If I started my array from here, Mike will be 1. Okay, then let's also return the position of Victoria. Match, our lookup value is Victoria, our lookup array is this. In our exact match, we have 9. As we count from first name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is how we use the index and match function. Now let's level this up. What if you want to find the value based on both the row label and the column label? That is where the index and match function becomes a two-way lookup. They become a powerful partner. Now, for example, let's take a look at this. We have the first name here, called the person called Monday, and we want to return his first test, second test score, and his exam score. The way we do it is by using the index and match function at the same time. So we are going to start with say is equals to index. Then our array is going to be the whole table. And in comma, we move to row number, as you can see. Then our row number, since we are expecting numerical value, that is numbers, we are going to use match because match returns numbers. Okay, so what we are going to do is say match. Our lookup value is Monday, and our lookup array, that is where we can find array. So the column is the first name. We are going to use exact match. Now we're moving to the column number. We're going to use the match again. What are we looking for? We're looking for the first test and lookup array is this because you can find first name in this row, right? Then exact match, we have 9. Let's do that for the second test once more. We have equals to index. We have the array. Then our row number is going to be match. Our lookup value is Monday. You can find Monday in first name. Then we are using exact match, comma. Then we have our column number. We have the match again. Our lookup value is second. Lookup array. Then our exact match. Close it. Then close the bracket. Press enter. We have this because if you look at Monday here, we have 9 and 13 for the test score and second test, the first test and second test. Likewise for the exam also, we can say is equals to index the O array, then our row number is going to be match, our lookup value Monday, then we have this exact match. We have match again. The lookup value is exam. Where can we find exam? Right here. In our match type 0, we close the bracket, press enter. We have the exam score. And this is how we use the index and match function to look up values from tables. And this is the end of this video. Practice with more examples. Bye.